In this video, we're going to go over how to post and set a featured image. So let's first start with the right side. So this is telling you the status of your post. So right now we have it in draft. Once we hit publish, it'll show as published. The visibility, this is who can see the post. We want it to be set to public. You can also password protect the page so only you can see it, or you can set it to private, which again, only you can see it, but you don't need a password. The number of revision is how many times you've updated it. And this publish, you can publish it immediately, or you can set a date in the future to auto-publish it. Typically the auto-publish doesn't do very well, so I would recommend not to use this feature and just to publish anything you do immediately. But if you do want to try this, you can just select the date and hit OK, and then the publish button will change to a publish to a schedule. So right now we're just going to publish this post and look at it. So once you publish the post, you see we have this permanent link right here. You can just click on that link and it will open up the post. So as you can see, here's the post. So we have all our keywords at the end, and we have our post, and now let's go back into, so let's go ahead and view it from the tips and advices where we put it. So looking at the tips and advice, you see this new post we did, and you notice that there is no featured image right now. That's because we didn't set the featured image. So let's go back to the post, and we're going to go to the right side all the way down to the bottom where it says featured image. This is where you set the featured image for the post. So we simply just select an image we want, and we set featured image. Now you can see the featured image shows up there. We're going to hit update because we made a change. And then we'll go back to the post, and we're going to refresh the page to see the featured image. So in order to refresh the page, all you have to do is press on this little icon right there. It'll refresh the page, and now you can see when the page loads, you have a featured image. So let's go to read more and see how it looks now. Okay, so with this plugin that we have, the featured image actually also shows up on the front. So what we need to do is we need to remove that second image that we manually added, because the featured image will automatically put a picture there. So we remove that image, then we're going to hit update. And we'll view the post again and do a refresh. And that's pretty much it. That's how we post and add a featured image. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we're going to go over all the steps and a shortened timeline to show you from A to Z how to do posting.